Assalamualaikum students, how are you? It's math lecture for grade 4 and today our topic is improper fraction. Now what is improper fraction? Improper fractions are fractions where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Now look at example over here. Here we have two squares that represents 2, 1 whole and 3 fourths. 1 whole means that 4 parts are shaded out of 4 and 3 fourths means that 3 parts are shaded out of 4. For the improper fraction, first we will find out the fraction of the both of these squares and then we'll add the numerators. So the fraction of the first square is 4 by 4, then plus, and then the fraction of the second square is 3 by 4. Now add the numerators. So 4 plus 3 becomes 7 and the denominator is 4, so 4 will come down same as it is. So our answer is 7 by 4. Now over here 7 is greater than 4, it represents to improper fraction because improper fractions are fractions where the numerator is greater than denominator. So over here is 7 is greater than 4, so it represents to improper fraction. Example number 2 is write the improper fraction for each of the following. Solution: there are 2 wholes and 3 fifths. For the improper fraction, first we will find out the fraction of these 3 shapes. So the fraction of first shape is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded out of 5. So the fraction will be 5 by 5. Then plus, then the fraction of the second shape is again 5 by 5 because 5 parts are shaded out of 5. Then plus, and the fraction of the last shape is 3 by 5 because over here 3 parts are shaded out of 5. Now add the numerators. 5 plus 5 becomes 10, 10 plus 3 becomes 13. So 13 will come in the numerator and the 5 is denominator over here, so 5 will come down same as it is. So our answer is 13 by 5 and this 13 over here, 13 is greater than 5, so it represents to improper fraction. Now here home task. Question is, what is the improper fraction shown? Now part A is done here for you guys. Kindly listen it carefully. Here are 3 rectangles in part A. The fraction of the first rectangle is 2 by 2, then plus. Then the fraction of the second rectangle is 2 by 2, then plus. And the fraction of the third rectangle is 1 by 2. Now add the numerators. 2 plus 2 becomes 4. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. So answer is 5 by 2. So over here in all these parts, first find out the fraction of the shapes and then just add the numerators and the denominator will come down same as it is. So you will get your answer. Now try to attempt rest of the parts and then submit this home task in the school for the assessment marks. It's enough for today. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.